Good morning, children. The last class we learned about the first chapter, International Borders. Today we can discuss about our second, third and fourth chapters of our GK. Then the second chapter, that is ancient cities still around. Recognize the following ancient cities that are still around. They are now great tourist destination. You can here see 6 tourist destinations, and now you can write down the names in the given blanks. The first one, it is the capital city of Greece and is also its largest city. Answer, that is Athens. And the second one, it is one of the oldest cities of the world. It is walled city. Answer, that is called Jerusalem. And the third one, it is the capital of Syria. It is also one of the oldest city. Answer, that is called Damascus. Then it is the oldest inhabited city in India. It is situated along the river Ganga. Answer, that is called Varanasi. Then it was the capital city of the Roman Empire. In the east name Constantinople. That answer, that is Istanbul. It is the oldest city in Western Europe. It is the largest city and the capital of Portugal, that is called Lisbon. Then the seventh one, it is the capital of Italy. It is the only country in the world that includes the whole states of Vatican in its interior. Answer, that is Rome. Number 8, it is one of the 4 great ancient capitals of China. It is full of ancient ruins and monuments, including the Great Wall of China. Answer, that is Xi'an. And here you learn about the ancient cities, all that does. Then now you can write down these answers in your given spaces. And moving to the third chapter, they are the deadliest animals on the earth. Here, many animals that are very poisonous and are very dangerous. Recognize the following deadliest animals found on the earth and write down the names in the given spaces. The first one, we can see what is that. The first one, that is called a stone fish. And the second animal, that is called box jellyfish. That is called box jellyfish. And the third one, that is called eastern brown snake. That is called eastern brown snake. And the fourth one, that is called blue ringed octopus. That is called blue ringed octopus. And the fifth one, that is called inland taipan. And the sixth one, that is called death stalker scorpion. And the seventh one, that is called Brazilian wandering spider. Then the eighth one, that is called poison dart frog. And the ninth one, that is called puffer fish. And these are the deadliest animals on the earth. Here 9 animals are there. These names you can write down in your textbook, the space provided. And moving to the fourth chapter, that is unhealthy food we should avoid. We know that which food is healthy and which one is unhealthy. Then what should we avoid? We know that we should avoid the unhealthy food. Here we can see some food. First one, these are fried potatoes, are extremely unhealthy. They have zero nutritional value but are very rich in fat, causing obesity. These are full of starch that may cause diabetes. Can you tell the name of that food items? That is, yeah, you all know that the food items name is French fries. And moving to the second one, this food contains large amount of saturated fat. A cause of weight gain and obesity, it also contains plenty of sugar that may cause diabetes. Answer, that is cheesecake. Moving to the third one, this food is stored in tin container. The food reacts with the tin container and is responsible for diabetes and heart diseases. Answer, that is canned tomatoes. Then fourth one, this food is contained in a bag. There are certain chemicals present in this bag. On heating, these chemicals mix up with this food and later on become a cause of liver tumor and cancer. Then answer, that is microwave popcorn. That is called microwave popcorn. And the fifth one, many dairy owners treat their cattle with hormones to increase the production of milk to increase profit. Drinking this milk may increase the chances of infection. Answer, that is artificially produced milk. And the last one, farmers use pesticides and insecticides to protect their crops from various pests and insects. These chemicals are absorbed by the crops growing in the sprayed land and enter the human body and also causing serious diseases. Answer, that is called non-organic potatoes. And here we learn about the ancient cities, then deadliest animals and the unhealthy food items, the food items we should avoid. And these all answers you can write down in your textbook, the space provided. Thank you all.